What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have another power washer, you guys. But this one here is portable, the same one as my other portable. So if you're thinking power washer, you're thinking about, the one you got to hook up with electricity or gas powered. No, this is battery powered, you guys. So a friend of the family used the orange one that I had, and he loves it. And he said, send him a link to the orange one or buy him one and he'll pay me back. So, of course, not everybody is Amazon friendly, eBay friendly and all that. Me, I'm not an eBay type of person. So if I need something from eBay, I'll ask my father-in-law. It's just, I'm not into the eBay ecosystem. I used to be, but not no more. So now I'm an Amazon fanatic. So here we go. This is two 48-volt batteries. Let's move this back some. And we're about to have some fun. We have two 48-volt batteries. We are going to use it fresh out the box. They do give you your attachment here. This is an attachment that you could put soap in. Of course, you got the nozzle. You need that. The trigger right here. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and test it out the box. Now, there's nothing on here that indicates the power level of your battery. So, you have to go by your battery power. All right. So let's go ahead and hook this up, you guys. Since I'm already familiar with this, I'm good to go. If it's a little bit different, then I will try to look at the instructions for you guys. But I'm going to go ahead and take this shrink wrap off. This is like the coolest thing, you guys, ever. Shrink wrap off, shrink wrap off. The way this hooks up is you have a quick connect on the bottom of your gun. Snap that in. That's connected. You have your water or your tube, water tube, port, whatever you want to call it. You have to stick that in. And then when you stick it in, you have to tighten it. Of course, it will be hard to go in, right? Let's try this side. So we're gonna stick it in as far as we can. Let's try to tighten it up. All right, let's loosen it. We're gonna loosen it up some more. We loosened it up. Now we're gonna try to stick it in as tight as we can get it. Take that all the way off, push this in, put that in, tighten it up. This is simple and easy, you guys. Very simple and easy. All right. Right here you have a filter. This is for your bucket, so you can prevent a lot of dirt going into your machine, and that will prevent your machine from breaking or not working at the proper performance. You need to dump this into your water. Almost done. Now we have the nozzle part. It has a little slit right there, so if you look, you match it up, put that in, twist, and you're good to go. You can set your degrees. So just like a regular power washer, you got 40 degrees, 25 degrees, 15, 0, spray out, and I don't know what that is, so we'll figure that out. But let's go ahead. We had our 40 degrees. Oh, this battery is all the way on. And there's going to be air in the system, you guys, so it's going to take a while to come out. Give it some time. Give it some time. There you go. Now, I know a lot of people will probably do that, and the first 15 seconds they're ready to return it because it don't work. It's just that you need to let the water go through the system because there's a lot of air. Fill your bucket up with some good water. Let your bucket fill up, you guys, and clean the car. We will be cleaning cars today, you guys. I have this new Rain X. I don't know when I'm gonna drop the video, but I want to drop it as soon as possible because the Rain X waterless car repellent car wash is the best car wash. I don't even know what it is, soap or repellent. I don't know what it is, but it's the best thing ever. This is, I believe, like 900 and something PSI. So you're not going to get 3000 PSI max and all that stuff. So, you get what you get for what you get. All right. Just be happy that this is portable. All right, so that's 40 degrees, 25 degrees, 15 degrees. That was 15. We'll go to 0. And this other one, what is this? I don't know. That's like showers. So yeah. Now, a little warning, since this still have a good amount of pressure, I would not like try to spray nobody, you guys. Try to be responsible. Don't put your hand in front of here. If you have ever seen anybody put their hand in front of a pressure washer gun, then you know the damage that it can cause. Here goes the concrete. And you can see that it's cleaning up pretty well. Now, once again, this is battery that's fresh out the box, you guys, not charged at all. Good. All right, you guys, I may need to get some bleach for that algae stain up there. And don't mind my weeds, you guys, in the lawn. I'll get to that. Don't worry. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.